Yo, what's on?
Monkey.
Alright, guys, this video today is gonna be a good one. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna combine the receiving video of it coming in with the installation video or do it separately. Because initially I want to do it separately. Screw it, yeah, I'll do it separately. So yeah, when it comes in, I'll get back with you guys. I'll record me receiving it from the mailman, whatever, you know? Alright, peace. Alright guys, this box is huge. I didn't get to get it from the mailman. I was coming on and my mom was already carrying it in. I didn't even hear the mailman arrive, but yeah. When I seen her bring it in, I was like, dang, that's a big box. That is a big box. Plus my mom's a tiny lady, so it looks extra bigger, but yeah, this is a big box. Yeah, let's go open it. Oh my gosh. Alright, we got manual, I believe. Yep, pretty much the manual. Then ooh, I see it right there, boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, that's beautiful. This is beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna finish taking out the box and we'll get back with you guys, alright? Got one more to take out. Alright, I got both of them out the box. Let's put these on the side. Alright, so yeah, it does come with bulbs. It comes with the high beams and the low beam bulbs. I like this projector style headlights, boy. So yeah, comes with low beams, comes with the high beams, and I guess you can put your stock side markers in there, but or signal lights, turn signals, but I'm not sure. Go around here. I don't think these are, yeah, these are just regular bulbs. I have the LEDs coming in, so let's just pop this out real quick, see what it's looking like. Yeah, these are just regular bulbs. I'll probably just put these on the side. I have LEDs in my car right now. I'll probably use those for now. But yeah. Come on. It's so hard with one hand. Alright, got it. And this one, yeah, that looks like regular bulbs. Wait, what is this? Is it regular? It should be a regular bulb, right? Yeah, whatever that is. Who cares about high beams? Nobody drives with high beams, right? So yeah. Alright, let me see. Okay, yeah, it does look like it's glued, sealed here and there. Shucks, it might be glued all the way around. I'm looking because eventually I'm gonna have to take these apart. Probably within the next month or so. I'm gonna take them apart because this right here is just white, and I believe it's orange when it turns signals. But I want to put the color chasing LED DRL strips in here eventually. But yeah, if you guys don't know what it is, I'll put a video on the screen right now so you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, overall the quality is very good. The lens are super clear. My wife was kind of afraid that the lens might be tinted, but yeah, these are really clear. You can see right through them easily. And it's kind of weird that they shipped it in this box. Like, it was just in the Spyder box. Ordered off of Amazon. I can leave the link in the description if you guys are interested. But yeah, it came in the Spyder box. You know, usually brands with this higher quality and, you know, the pricing and stuff, usually would hide the box in another shipping box, but they shipped it in this box. So it's, I don't know, it's kind of weird. But yeah, I guess, you know, yeah, so the next video you guys are going to see of these are going to be me putting them on. But let me know if you guys have any questions. Looks like a pretty easy installation. I heard that you got to trim some of the bumper, I guess right here on the bumper line. There's like a little lip that comes out on the bumper where the side marker kind of sits in, so I guess we're gonna have to cut that, trim it down a bit. But yeah, everything else seems like it might be easy to basically plug and play. Yeah, well, we'll see when we're installing it. Oh, and these are to adjust the bulb, the headlight bulb, the low light, and then these are to adjust the height of the high beams. But yeah, overall guys, I'm really pleased with this Spyder lighting. Well, I can't say how pleased I am with them until I actually put them on, but yeah, right now the way these look, quality, shipping, packages, the shipping was freaking outstanding, you know. But yeah,
Monkey.
let me know if you guys got any questions in the comments, and stay tuned for the installation video. It should be coming on the same day. I want to bang both videos out one time, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, peace.